Hindi ganyan, be.
Okay, how?
Ano mo yung ano, may pull tab, oh, ayun, oh.
Okay. Hey, why are there marks on it?
Ang ganda.
Hi!
You happy?
Yes!
Show to the camera first, the pink one. Patingin mo na nga.
Oh,
Wow.
how to
Mio.
open?
Ayan na naman eh. Naku, dahan-dahan, besh. Wow, it's so satisfying, besh.
Wow! Okay, gentle.
Ay, itabi mo to, besh.
So fragile. Eh! Okay, how?
Taas mo to. Slowly, ha. Wow, ganda
Slow.
siya, besh.
Slow. It's so fragile.
Fragile yan.
Yeah. I heard it breaks easily.
Ha? Sabi nino.
Like if you put a piece of paper in it, it's gonna break.
Ha? Sabi nino. Wait, may charger ka ba na ganyan? Yun na lang charger gamitin mo kaya.
Okay.
Spare mo na lang yun.
What, is there anything else? Oh.
I-spare mo na lang yung balik mo dito. May card ba? Or something?
No.
Wow. Turn it on. Ano to? Ay, ito yung ano na ko. Basahin mo to.
Okay.
Wag. Ay, sinisira mo, besh. Hiwalay mo nga. Ay, sticker siya sa kotse, besh.
Sa kotse?
Ay, wow.
Kotse?
Basahin mo. Ay, naman. Nasa vlog pa yun, be. Ang baboy nito. Ay, ibalik mo na. Basahin mo na lang.
That's for later. Boom.
Are you happy?
Yeah!
What do you say?
Thank you, Mama!
Kiss mama. Ay, I'm sick pala. Oh, mama, balik mo na to.
Okay, Mama! Can I put it in my bedroom?
Yeah. Ay, saan mo pala ilalagay yan?
In my bedroom?
Kaya nga, where were you thinking you gonna put it on?
Where my Chromebook is.
Okay, thank you. Kiss. Flying
No.
kiss.